Hey everybody, let's do a project based on Eric Carle's book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Now, if you don't have this book at your house, which I'm guessing a lot of you do, some of you probably know this book by heart, but if you don't have it at your house, maybe you could take a chance here and go and Google The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle, and I bet you would find a YouTube video that'll tell you exactly what this story's all about. Okay, check it out. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Eric Carle actually reads it in this YouTube video. I'll see if I can put a link in the description so you can go right to this page if you want to hear the author actually read his own book to you. That would be kind of cool. But let's go back to our table and let's do a little bit of something with this book here. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make our very hungry caterpillar. Okay? So I'm going to take a small piece of paper. This is about 1 inch by 6 inches. It's pretty little, okay? And I'm going to use a thicker piece of paper, okay? If you have some cardstock or something laying around, that's probably okay. Otherwise, cut yourself a little bit of cereal box and make it about that size. And then if you just have white paper around your house, you can do this drawing part and you can glue your white paper onto the cereal box, and then your caterpillar will be a little stronger, because we're actually going to make our caterpillar do some weaving in and out of the fruits and vegetables that he eats, right? So he eats the orange and the apple and the pear and the strawberry and the plum. So we'll kind of work on that. So first thing I want you to do is grab a red crayon and then 3 other colors. Alright, so once you have your red crayon and your 3 other colors, I'm going to use the 3 colors like yellow, green, and then a light green and a dark green, so it looks a little bit like the caterpillar in the book, okay? But you could use whatever colors you want, okay? Look at this one. He's got some blue and some orange, okay, and some pink. So you can go with whatever colors you want. And on one side of your caterpillar, I want you to color in the head of the caterpillar. Just color in the square so that it's red. And then we're going to do a pattern on the rest of the caterpillar, okay? So we're going to do a little bit of this yellow green and this lighter green and then this darker green, okay? And when I do this, I'm going to draw them more as rectangles, okay? So they're cool. We're a little bit closer now. So instead of just coloring in stripes, I'm going to draw a rectangle and then I'm going to color that rectangle in. And then I'm going to draw a rectangle and I'm going to color that rectangle in. And then I'm going to draw a rectangle and then I'm going to color that rectangle in. Okay? So yellow, green, light green, dark green. Okay? And I'm going to finish that pattern all the way to the end of my caterpillar. Okay, so whatever 3 colors you pick, you're going to finish that caterpillar all the way to the end. Yellow, green, light green, dark green. Cool. Then we want to dig in our crayon box, maybe find a black crayon or another dark color. Let's just make our caterpillar kind of happy. There we go. We'll give him a couple eyes and we'll make him smiling. Then if you look at the book, the caterpillar has 4 little feet on the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 little feet on the back. Okay, and that'll be pretty good. Then you'll have your caterpillar all ready to go weaving in. If you want to do a little outlining here on the caterpillar, you can do that. That might be kind of cool. And then won't he look kind of cute? and ready to do some weaving for the next part. So let me get that stuff ready and I'll be right back. I had to zoom in a little bit so now you can see the document camera sticking there in my head, but it's alright, we'll figure that out later. Alright, cool. So now we're going to take some orange paper. This is a 6" by 6" piece of paper. And then we're going to draw a circle on it. See if you can find a circle that you can trace. This is a yogurt cup that I washed out. If you had the lid, you could use the lid too. But any cup or something that's kind of the right size or bowl would be pretty good. And then just take your crayon and trace around the outside of it so you get a nice circle there, okay? And then take your scissors and cut out your circle. Okay, so we're going to keep that part there, the circle. And this is going to be the back, so it's okay if we still have some crayon showing on there. But what we want to do is we're going to make some cuts in it so our caterpillar can weave in and out. It looks like it's eating through the orange. So I'm going to fold this in half, okay, so it looks like a little taco shell, okay? And then I'm just going to make 3 cuts in there, okay? Notice this is the side that has the lines on it. I'm going to make a line right here. If you want to know how big to make the line a little taller than your caterpillar. If you want to know how far to space the lines out, put your caterpillar next to the lines and leave a caterpillar width space in between there. So the caterpillar has those lines. So we'll do 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to fold it back up. And we can see those lines there. So we're going to take our scissors and we're going to snip. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then we can open up this orange here. And we've got these little cuts right in there. That way our caterpillar can munch through the orange. So he's going to go in here, underneath, and then, oh looky here, he's going to slide out. And then he can go back in and munch a little bit more of that orange. Chomp, chomp, chomp. He is a very hungry caterpillar. And then he'll peek his way out of there. Okay, so this is called weaving, where we go over and under in between. Okay, so that's the first part of this lesson. Okay, if you want to take a break for a while, you can go ahead and take a break. But if you want to click back on part 2 of this lesson, we're going to do a few more fruits for the caterpillar to eat through. So come back in a little while. We'll see you guys later. Bye.